All right, so you just completed the desktop computer input and output section. Okay, so hopefully you, after talking with your partner and then talking with the groups, you have filled out your input and output. Okay, if you didn't, make sure you go back and do that. If you heard anything that another group had that you didn't have, hopefully you put that down as well. Okay, so going to the Chromebook, okay, which you all have hopefully in your possession right now, go ahead and do the same thing. Okay, so look at it, fill out input, output. Think about the different things that it may have than a desktop computer. Okay, how do I talk to other people with other computers, things like that? What are some other functions maybe the Chromebook has? You're going to talk about that with your partner. You're both going to fill it out. Okay, then you'll get back into that big group and see what everybody else has to say. And again, fill out anything that they may have had that you don't have. Okay, once you do that, you go to video 3 about the smartphone and do the same thing. Okay, reminder, both of you are going to be filling this out and both of you should be submitting this at the end of the period. Go ahead and get started on the Chromebook section and just continue from there. Make sure that you are putting some effort and thought into this and don't try to race ahead because you're not going to start on section 3 until the teacher says so.